The overall goal of this procedure is to differentiate immortalized multipotent otic progenitor cells into inner ear cell types.
So this method can help us address key questions in auditory regeneration, such as how otic progenitors can become cochlear hair cells or auditory neurons. Importantly, this technique provides an in vitro cellular system that can be used in parallel with in vivo mammalian animal model systems. Demonstrating the procedure today will be Azadeh Jadali, a postdoctoral fellow in my lab, as well as Zhichao Song and Alejandra Laureano, 2 graduate students in the lab.
After preparing the culture medium as described in the text protocol, use 3 milliliters of this liquid to plate 1 × 10⁶ immortalized multipotent otic progenitor, or iMOP, cells into a 60 millimeter tissue culture dish. Incubate the cells for 5 to 7 days at 37 degrees Celsius with 5% carbon dioxide. Every other day, double the volume of liquid in the culture by adding fresh medium. To passage the cells, first transfer them from the culture dish to a 15 milliliter conical tube, and then place the tube at 37 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, expect colony-forming otospheres to collect at the bottom of the conical via gravity sedimentation. Next, aspirate the supernatant, being careful not to disturb the pellet. Resuspend the otospheres by adding 0.5 milliliters of previously prepared, pre-warmed 1 millimolar EDTA in Hanks balanced salt solution, or HBSS, and then pipetting up and down 2 to 3 times.